morning. My name is Rick Coverness. I'm from Interior Offroad Equipment in the Prince George, BC store. Today I'd like to show you a quick video on how easily our signs operate and how easy they are to install on your vehicle and get to work with them. You'll notice our new signs have a couple of unique features that we've been working on and a few improvements that we've made over the years. One optional is a completely automatic up and down system. Electric linears are used to do this. Some of the new features that we worked on over the years and are now putting into place very soon. We now have strain relief cables coming out of the sign, no more plug-ins. We now have external fuses on our sign. If any feature of the sign should happen to fail, a red light will come on the external fuses and point you to exactly what area to look at for a problem. Now, for the purposes of the video, we've simply clamped this sign on, which takes about 2 minutes. When you receive your sign, you'll want to bolt it down for security. Now, if you follow me to the front of the vehicle, I'll show you just how easy it is to hook up our sign. When you receive a sign from Interior Offroad, there will come with 21 feet of cable to hook up to your vehicle. On that cable, you will have 4 wires to deal with. The first step is to hook the brown wire to the ground of your vehicle. The second step is to hook the red wire to the positive of your vehicle. The third step, the sign comes with the yellow and green striped wire. This one you have 2 options. The unique area to put this is to a fused keyed source on your vehicle. This will allow your sign not to operate unless you have your key on and in the run position. However, if you choose to do a quick connector, you can easily hook this to 12 volts of your battery and your sign will operate just fine. The only thing to be aware of is that you cannot leave your sign on with your key off because it will eventually kill your battery. The last wire that comes in the 4-wire system is a blue cable that is typically hooked to the 3rd brake light. We have found over the years that on some of the newer vehicles, it is harder and harder to find the correct location to put this on without causing problems. So a lot of our customers do not use our 3rd brake light feature, but if you take the time to check with your manufacturer, you can easily find out which is the correct wire to hook it to without causing any grief. Now we'll go around and I'll show you how the sign works efficiently. Our signs come with the 6-button fob control, which will do every function on the sign that's required. Button number 1 and button number 2 are your lift and lower buttons. Simply press button number 1 and the sign will go up. I should point out on all of our signs, you will see manual tie rod ends. These manual tie rod ends allow you to use your sign in the event of a failure with our linear system, so you should never be stranded on the road and not doing your work. To lower the sign, simply hit button number 2. The sign will lower to the corrected position automatically on its own. We can stop it wherever we want to and go back up to the working position. All of our signs are now developed with LED internal lighting, and we have a very unique plastic socket that's not steel anymore that will not wear out or become loose inside the can. All of our signs have LED strobe system, class 1 beacons. Another unique feature is our outside pongs on this sign. We've found over the years a lot of problems with the flashers inside the can, so we've come up with a light that has a built-in flasher and a built-in sync system. This has no flashers that can wear out inside the sign, all built into the light. To turn the sign off, you simply reverse the procedure, lower your sign, and off you go. One more unique feature that we're working on that's an option that I'll show you is our stop signs. We found that more and more in the industry, pilot car sign operators have to use the stop sign. A lot of these people have to hold the sign out the window, which becomes becomes a hazard to most. So we have the stop sign available as an option, and I'll just quickly show you where we mount this should you choose to buy one. If you order a pilot car sign with a stop sign option, this is where you'll find it mounted when you purchase it from us. This will come with a separate wiring harness. This cannot be operated off the fob as there is not enough buttons, but you simply run a toggle switch to operate. When you press the button, this sign will come out, 2 red lights will come on, and warn people that they need to stop and slow down. I thank you for watching the video, and if you need more information, go to www.ior.ca. Thank you very much.